Come see us December the 30th. We're starting at 9 a.m. here at 100 Friendship Road, Eatonton, Georgia. Gonna have a fantastic sale, probably one of the biggest sales ever held in middle Georgia. We're gonna have everything from forestry equipment, chippers, grinders. Gonna have tons of dozers, crawler loaders, wheel loaders, tandem dump trucks, road tractors, mini with wetline kits, sleeper trucks, day cab. We're gonna have some nice late model pickup trucks that you'd want to take your wife to town, take her to church in on Sundays. Also gonna have a nice selection of ag tractors, cabs, open stations, and we're gonna have a unique, super unique antique tractor sellout you won't want to miss. You want to come show your kids and buy some of those to kick home and put in your shed to keep for years down the road, so you can show your kids the way it used to be. All this is going to be held on December the 30th. It'll be on a Thursday starting at 9 o'clock. We'll have bidding available on the internet by proxy bidding and on equipment facts. And you can log on to rebelauction.net to get more information, or give me a call, 478-288-2072. Thank y'all for your business.